You already got the...
We're here at Six Flags. It's my vlog. Hello, say hello.
Do you know she...
Good morning.
Gerardo.
Yo, ¿cómo están?
Oye,
¿Cómo están, mi gente? ¿Qué chicos, qué es lo que es?
¿Qué?
Aquí estamos en Berry Farms. Vamos a subirnos a las rides después de comer. Es una mala idea. Una mala idea.
Corey, say hi.
Hi.
So everyone's still checking in. Brother Elder.
What is up, guys? West America.
Hi, guys.
Se toman fotos, se me apuran tanto.
Las chicas.
Hola. We're so excited. So excited.
This is Ashley.
Ready.
Ready. And then Levy. This is hi.
I have 10.
So our kids are gonna get on the carousel. Tony.
You ready?
Johnny.
I'm Samantha.
Say hi.
Oh, what's up? Scariest right out here? I might cry like
I'm done.
cry. I might cry too.
Corey. Corey. Vicky. Angie. Look, he's scared.
Thank you.
What?
Enjoy your ride.
Hey, got this.
Johnny. Estás ansioso. I can hear them. El Tony, look at Tony. So me and Ash are here, and apparently we're the bottle, bag, purses, hats, police, and our friends are up there, our kids. Lunch break. Lunch break. What? We're gonna go on, what is this called?
Fire ride. The log ride.
By the way, Johnny said he wouldn't scream in any rides, and that's all he's been screaming. Ana,